Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share with y'all another one of those recipes that I ate as a kid. And it's very cheap, it's very easy, and it only requires 2 ingredients, and it's called pork and beans and sausage. I've looked on YouTube to see if I could find anybody else that cooks this, and there is pork and beans and sausage, but it's done with Polish sausage, and my mama has always used the ground sausage. And I asked her, you know, where did she get this recipe, and she got it from her granny, which would be my great granny. And so this is just something that my family has ate for years, as far as back as my great granny. So this is one of those on top of the macaroni and tuna recipe that I do on here. This is another one of those, and there's a few other ones that I will end up sharing with y'all, but right now we're going to do this one, and I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe at the end. Let me know in the comments if you try it and you like it, and I hope you do. So let's get to it. And you'll only need 2 cans of the pork and beans and 1 pound of the sausage. And I'm cooking mine in an iron skillet. You don't have to use an iron skillet. That's just what I like to use. And as soon as this gets all good and done, and I will be leaving the juice in these beans because that's what adds to it. You can drain the grease off of this, but my mama had always left it in there, and so have I. So if you want to cut back on the fats or whatever, you can do that. And so it looks like my sausage is all done, and I will just pour this in here. And you can see the consistency of what I've got here. It's not dry. That's why you want to leave the juice in there, and we leave the grease in it too. And so I'm going to give it a taste try, and it's going to be so yummy, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Just like my mama and my granny's. So it's all done and ready, and it tastes just like my granny and my mama's pork and beans and sausage, y'all. I hope y'all give it a try. Please let me know down in the comments below. I love to hear from y'all. And y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe. Bye, y'all.